Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install ProtonVPN, one of the best free VPN services out there, and how it can enhance your online privacy and security. Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly talk about the benefits of using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet, ensuring that your online activities are private and protected from prying eyes. It also allows you to access geo-restricted content and bypass censorship. Let's now move on to the installation process. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the ProtonVPN website at protonvpn.com. Check out the description for direct link to download this VPN. Click on the download button. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install ProtonVPN on your device. After the installation is complete, launch the ProtonVPN app. Click of Create Account and sign up with your email ID and password. Type your email ID and password here. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ProtonVPN interface. To connect to a VPN server, simply click on the Quick Connect button, and ProtonVPN will automatically choose the best server for you based on your location. Congratulations! You have successfully installed ProtonVPN and connected to a VPN server. Now you can enjoy enhanced privacy and security while browsing the internet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related content.